Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I received my first entries into my Valentine's Day swap that I'm hosting. I'll leave the video linked down below so you can go check out what all the requirements are in case you decide to participate. It does need to be here or mailed out by February 7th because I want to try to get all of these back to everybody by Valentine's Day. So let me show you. This comes from Diane, who is Crafting with Fury. I love her channel. If you have not checked out her channel, you definitely need to. She is definitely my kind of crafter. She uses a lot of dark colors, steampunk, just gorgeous, gorgeous work. So she did make a total of 4, which is so sweet because that means that she sent one for me, and I really, really appreciate it. So all that you have to do is follow the requirements and send 3, and you're going to get 3 back. But like I said, she's amazing, and she made a 4th. So I'm going to open up mine so you guys can see what all she sent. Look how beautiful that looks right there. Oh my gosh. So this one's mine right here. Let's open this on up here. And I could tell that this one was mine because the back was different, because she included a little note here. So this is the beautiful card. She just used a piece, and I love that she went with a Valentine steampunk theme. This is amazing. I had asked her, like, where do you even find, like, all of the papers? And she buys them off of Etsy. And she'll buy a collection and then print at home. And they come out gorgeous, you guys. So pretty. Look at this. So here is her entry right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we have some little eyelash trim right here in this baby pink, and it's so soft. I think this came from Hobby Lobby because I hauled one similar. And up here is a little tag. Look at that love. That is just beautiful right there. And look at the little steampunk. Oh my gosh, there is an owl right there at the bottom. Look at that owl and all those little roses. And look at this girl over here. If I was skinny, that's what I would look like. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. Oh, look at, she stamped it. How cute. Oh, she's so fancy with the stamp. Yes, I'm obsessed with this tag and this die cut and the roses and just all the gears. I love that it's so different and unique. Oh, she has another die cut over here. Whoa, I've never seen this one either. Look at that. It's a little heart with all the gears. Oh my gosh, look at this paper. It's like a rose gold. That's beautiful too. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am obsessed, and I haven't even opened it yet. She's just beautiful. She's so pretty. Oh, she does have blue eyes. See, that could be me if I was skinny. Long dark hair with brown eyes. Did I say blue eyes? She has brown eyes. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's open this baby on up. Let's see. Oh my gosh, she made a purse. Oh, so this is just like a little like cut apart piece. Kind of like her little note card was. Oh, that's so pretty. I thought this was like the back of like a pocket or something that she had made, but no, she just included that in there. And she made a gorgeous purse right here. Oh my gosh. I think she used some of that what is it, like diamond glass glitter. Oh, and then she put glossy accents and little rhinestones. See the glossy accents on the clock and on the steampunk. And some rhinestones over here. Oh my goodness, she did a chain with some gears. Look at this one, actually has a heart punched out right there. That's crazy. I've never seen that. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look at using just that glitter glass. What is it called? Diamond dust. There we go, diamond dust. Oh my gosh, it was gonna bug me if I could remember. Using that diamond dust glitter right there just really, really brings everything out, and the glossy accents everywhere. And these little rhinestones just makes everything amazing. Look at the back. Oh my goodness. Yeah, obsessed. So I think she sent like a whole little like extra treat. Like a whole little pouch of extra. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Let's open this on up. Got a little Velcro. Slide this on open. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Let's take everything out. Oh, I missed the sequence mix. So here is her sequence mix right here. That's beautiful. So we have some little flowers, some hearts, some iridescent sequins. We have some silver stars. We have some red hearts, some little tiny pink hearts. Oh my gosh, just so much gorgeousness going on in here. That is just beautiful. Is there XO in there? Is that an O? Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. And then on the top, she just added a little heart gemmy. So pretty. And let's see. Oh, is this her ETC card? I think it is. Wow, look at this love. And again, with the chain. Oh, she's killing me with the little chain details. I love that. We have a little gear. And then she did like a brick embossing in the background. Let's open this on up. Oh, she's fancy too. She's got a business card too. Let me get that right there. So she's got a business card and it has her channel. She's Crafting with Fury, her email if you want to message her. And she does have like I said, the YouTube, so I'll definitely leave the link down below for that. And let's see. She's Crafting with Fury on YouTube and IG. No, her birthday's July 19. I'm July 19. How did I not know we shared the same birthday? Oh my god, that's crazy. I didn't know that. And her favorite color is purple and black, as we can tell right here with the purple. And she does have black over here. And let's see. Her favorite style is steampunk and vintage. And she cannot live without her diamond dust. Oh my gosh. And I was just saying that the diamond dust really makes this, you know, come to life. And then she put her P.O. box at the bottom. Oh my gosh. I'm more obsessed that your birthday is July 19th than I'm July 19th. That is so cool. And then in the back right here, she like inked it up. So it still has like that little like steampunk vibe going on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We share the same birthday. Okay, let me focus. So one of the requirements was the ATC card, so that way people knew who sent it. And then another requirement was to do a shaker. So that's what's in here. And again, we have the little gear in the background. I love the size of this XO. It's like a good size for embellishment. Oh, you see there is X's, O's, and O's. So that must be in the sequence mix. Because I saw the O's. So there is X's and O's in there. And then we have just some little hearts over here. And, oh, she put the little diamond dots in there as well. Then we have like, kind of reminds me of like popcorn up here. But we have the gears up here. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, and she even did the back. So she even finished the back of it. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love that. And let's see. Over here are her die cuts. You were to send 10 die cuts. But it looks like she did more than 10. And they had to be no more than 2 of the same design, so that way we could kind of get like a mix of everything. So we have this pearl silver right here, and then this like beautiful matte foil, and a bunch of keys, still sticking with that steampunk themed. I love that. And what do we have right here? Oh, it's a light. Oh, 2 different styles of light bulbs. Oh, those are pretty. I've never seen those before. So we have 2 different styles of light bulbs, and we have like some chain over here. Could be like netting also. Oh my gosh, using so many die cuts. And then we have little kitties right here. They kind of make like a heart shape. See, like a little heart. That's cute with the little kitties. You can definitely do like a card and, you know, like perfect pair, you know. That'd be really cute. I've seen a lot of like little cat Valentine's Day stuff. Oh my gosh, did you share your diamond dust with us? Oh my goodness, look at this. It looks like a little diamond, and she put some diamond dust in here. If you don't know, diamond dust is like a glass glitter. Look at that. It just makes everything shine. It's like the perfect texture for snow. I want to make sure I definitely don't drop any of this. And it's so funny, I've had a bottle of it for like 2 years, and she's the one that convinced me to like finally break it out and use it. And I did, and it just like brought my project to life. And I was like, oh my gosh, why have I not been using this all my life? Okay, let's see. Oh, here's more die cuts. Oh my gosh, she went all out with the die cuts. So let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, I love that big ol' love right there. Look at how pretty that is with all the little swirlies and the little hearts. Oh, there's her little steampunk heart that she had over here. Just like a little tag. She shared some more of those. Obsessed. Oh my goodness. Look at this butterfly. It's huge too. Oh my gosh, look at the little details of all the little gears in here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then we have our little hot air balloon over here with all the gears. Oh my gosh, you spoiled us rotten with so many. I really appreciate it. And then the other requirement was to make 2 bows, but to make them fancy. And oh my gosh, look at this. She added chain and gears to them. She super fancied them up. Look at that. It's the bow with the little gear with those little heart punch outs. I need to know where those gears came from. And then just some chain. That is super fancy, and with the little arrow running through. These are just gorgeous. I am obsessed with these. Oh my gosh, Diane, thank you so much for entering my Valentine's Day swap. I really appreciate it. So that's what was required, was the bows, the die cuts, a sequence mix, and to make cute packaging, to be a little extra, and to put something to hold everything in, and she did. And then back over here, we have like a whole case of extra, which it looks like everybody got. So, wow. Like, she went all out. So, let's see what we got going on in this extra little goodie bag here. I love that iridescent bag. That's beautiful. So, let's see. What do we got? Ooh, we got some little 6-slits candy. Oh my gosh, how cute. A candy bracelet. That is so cute. I have not had a candy bracelet or necklace in years. I think the last time I even found them, I was still like in my 20s. So, haven't had one in a very long time. So, we're going to pop that on. Oh, Pop Rocks. I love Pop Rocks. It's so funny. I bought a bunch at Christmas time from Dollar Tree because I love them. So I got some Pop Rocks. Who doesn't love chocolate? Yum. I love dark chocolate too. Oh, I don't have these little bunny socks. These are Dollar Tree. Oh, and it says somebody loves you. I love little decorative socks like this. And I don't have these, so that's amazing. Thank you so, so much. And she's soft. Like, the little white is, like, fuzzy. Let's see. Oh, and we have some little lip gloss over here. Some Be Mine. Oh, lip oil. Oh, that's interesting. I'll have to try that. Oh, and I like it. It's cruelty free. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, you spoiled us so rotten. I cannot thank you enough. I truly, truly appreciate you being such an amazing little crafty friend. And I just love absolutely everything you sent. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.